All right, looking at the New Zealand dollar, US dollar on the daily time frame. You can see price has been in this downtrend for a couple years, respected it, and has maintained this downtrend. More recently, it got rejected, held in this area, and ultimately broke through it, traded around it, broke through it, and now we're coming back down, it looks like. Something that I see currently is we made this higher high, but on the MACD, we made a lower high, showing a little bit of divergence here. RSI, not really showing it, but this MACD is. So I do think we'll see a little bit of correction here, maybe start forming a channel of some type. And ultimately, I do think we're bullish in long term. I think if we can form, we got maybe a inverse left shoulder, an inverse kind of head right here, and possibly forming another shoulder here, I think we'll see upside long term from this point on. And you can probably look for levels, maybe starting out with, something like this. That breaks, come up here, and then ultimately, if that holds, I think we'll be going up much higher. You can take a look. So this was the last major swing low with the current trend moving up. To see some targets from that area, you can see that these start kind of aligning. If you draw a zone up here, kind of like that, you can kind of start seeing that we could see some targets up in this area, I think long term, maybe over the next half a year or something like that. I think we'll kind of trade sideways and kind of slowly make our way up. I do think there is future dollar weakness to continue. Obviously, may see some pullbacks here and there, but I think ultimately, it'll play out that in long term that we're just going to kind of move up. I think we've been in this downtrend. If we can hold outside that, I think that's bullish.